Hi, my name is Jasper Wiley, and I'm a consultant for the technical team here in our Dublin office, looking after engineering, manufacturing, and the supply chain and logistics function as well. So currently we're seeing a really high demand for particularly field service engineers and maintenance technicians, people that would come from a kind of hands-on engineering background, typically with some sort of trade qualification, either electrical or mechanical. We're seeing this across a variety of areas, whether it be people that are working in manufacturing settings, in different industries such as food, life sciences, semiconductor industries. Other areas we're seeing the need for it, particularly for the field service, can be in the medical field. We're seeing some in sort of heavy industry as well. Typically, probably more electrical than mechanical at the moment, but someone that either has an electrical or a mechanical fitting background, there certainly should be a lot either on the road or in one particular site. So when companies are hiring at the moment, they're very often looking for not just someone meeting the exact kind of technical fit, now with particularly the kind of engineering function or logistics or supply chain, that is of course a very large sort of majority of what they need is the sort of technical ability to do those jobs. But they're really looking for someone that they feel is going to be able to get trained up on the equipment, for example, and be able to really learn to specialize and be with their company for the long term. So a kind of clear kind of motivation and kind of drive to be a specialist in the area that these companies are working in. Additionally, sort of beyond the technical ability, a lot of these jobs are very kind of people-facing or having to work in kind of large teams, so the ability to demonstrate that ability to be good in front of clients and be able to collaborate well with sort of other departments internally or maybe stakeholders externally, that's a big thing. So my advice for people trying to get into a new role, one is definitely on the CV, making sure that you're selling yourself as good as possible in terms of the range of stuff that you have worked on. Often I'll find once I get someone on the phone that there's loads of stuff that they've worked on sort of within their job that isn't mentioned on the CV, whether it be different types of equipment that aren't listed or different softwares that they've used. So definitely making sure that you're sort of getting it all down on the document to make it clear for us that you're suitable for jobs that you may be applying for, that we're looking for people on. The other advice I'd give is be kind of open and kind of flexible on kind of new areas. Sometimes you'd be surprised maybe that you may think that sort of the technical background you're coming from may not suit something that you are interested in, but you never know sort of when there's that ability to kind of get trained up in a new area or whether there's more transferable skills than you think. So keep your options open, chat to someone like me who has that kind of visibility to different areas to sort of really understand what the variety of your options are, because you may have more opportunities available to you than you think.